Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, and Blackout Bingo are among the better-known bingo apps that let you compete for real cash. But instantly comes with a catch. None of these apps guarantees immediate withdrawals every time. By the end, you'll know which 5 apps are worth checking, how their cash games work, and which ones have the clearest withdrawal options. First, iBingo Cash is one of the strongest choices if you want a dedicated real money bingo app. Its tournaments can have entry fees such as $1, and the app lets you see the withdrawable balance separately from bonus cash. Withdrawals are usually received within 2 business days, although the official policy allows up to 14 days. Second, Bingo Clash is a strong option if you prefer fast, head-to-head games. You compete against other players, and the app supports withdrawals through PayPal, Venmo, and several card options. Cash matches aren't available everywhere, including Arkansas, Delaware, Louisiana, Michigan, and South Dakota. Third, Blackout Bingo is another established cash bingo option. Independent testing published in 2026 documented a $28.40 PayPal cash out after playing paid tournaments. The game uses paid entries, so you can lose money as well as win it. Fourth, Bingo Tour comes from the same Avia Games ecosystem as Bingo Clash. It uses competitive bingo, power-ups, and cash tournaments, and Avia currently lists it as one of its active games. Just remember that Avia says withdrawals can take 7 or more days to reach a bank or PayPal account, so this one does not qualify as literally instant. Fifth, Oi offers real cash competitions, including one-on-one and tournament formats. Its App Store listing says players are matched by skill level and can cash out securely. The biggest thing to remember is that these aren't guaranteed money apps. Several require entry fees for cash tournaments, and your result depends on how well you perform. So, if you want the clearest starting point, check iBingo Cash for its documented withdrawal process, iBingo Clashy for competitive cash matches, and Blackout Bingo for another established option. Before depositing anything, check whether cash games are available in your location, and read the current withdrawal rules. If this helped you narrow down the options, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons.